Sorry, because English is not my mother tongue. I'm sorry if I speak something wrong, but I hope you can understand. I hope. Hello guys, hello everyone. This is Molina DIYs, and today's video is my very first video of showing my face. As you guys wish, like you wanna hear my voice, you wanna hear my voiceover in the video, but I'm sorry, it's very hard for me to make the voiceover in the video. So today I come here to show you guys what I have made for the whole 2025. Oh, before going to crochet I have made, I want to say something. I want to say thank you to everyone, to my audience, for your kind support and watching my video, and thank you for the new audience as well. Bucket hat, mini crossbody bag, okay, like this, and this one, shoulder bag, flower, snow flag, also can be coaster, tulip, hey, this is so cute, bag charm, jellyfish, crochet bow, crochet headband, sunflower headband, net stitch headband, and Santa hat. As you know, I love to make the small project like this. This one is the tutorial also have made and post already in my YouTube channel. So this is Daisy. It's super cute. I like this one and this one as well. All the project I made I love. And this is many I feel call it sunflower and some call it the suns, but it is suns, yeah. And I'm gonna show you the keychain or the keychain first. So right here, this is a jellyfish. Oh, wait, like this. Has a purple, mixed purple, and this one is yellow. I also have another one pink, but the one I gave it to my friend. All I may always give it away like this. And this is my very new project. The tutorial I haven't posted yet, but I'm bringing it to showing you guys in this video. This is a tulip keychain. I also have the purple one like this, and when we use with a bow it's gonna be look like this, but the original one is like this. And this one too, you guys can use it to tie your hair, or you can make it up your sibling gift, like to tie hair like I'm showing you like this. It's super cute. When once you tie your hair up, and you can use it like this. This looks nice for me. Oh, the keychain is right as well. Sorry, forgot. This one is two. This one I have made already too. This tulip, mini tulip keychain. Ta-da! And this is flower keychain. This is a made for 3 color, but I gave it away for 2 already, so I have 1 left at my house. And this is the Santa hat on Christmas and snowflake. I showed you already that I'm decorate on my Christmas tree. Snowflake. This is you guys can use for ornament or make it as a coaster. I'm showing you like this. This coaster and coffee cup and stay like this. Actually, I crochet a lot of headband, but some of friends that visit to my house and they saw what I made. It's super nice, super cute for them, so they asked me to give it as a gift. So I just gave it away for many. So this is I have left. This is the math headband, yeah? Math? Oh, sorry, this is called net headband, crochet net. Like this. Maybe like this. This is the one that I haven't released the tutorial yet, but it's gonna spoil here. Like this. Ta-da! Mini bag. Mini bag. This is a make for like 7 color, but now I still have 2 at home. This is also have the strap, and you can use this as a crossbody like this. So what can you store inside if it's small? Actually, even it's small, but you can store the lipstick or this balm, tiger balm, or scrunchies. Like I'm showing you, this is scrunchies, lip balm, tiger balm. And you can add some money inside it as well. That's the scrap body. Mini scrap body bag. This is the punch bag. I love this so much. You know, this is my very first crochet I have made. Because of what? Because of, as you can see, the yarn, it's called short yarn. But the yarn I always use is milk cotton yarn. The yarn is have 5 plies, look like this. And for the short yarn is my very first time I have made it. This is milk cotton yarn. I use all my video. I use this one, but this one is my very first experience that become the punch bag. If you guys love to see the tutorial, comment down below. I will make it for you. It's super easy. This one, mini handbag. This one I crocheted just like 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours. This is I use for my friend wedding. Whole is like this, and this one as well. This is super cute for me. Do you guys can see it because it's black? Like this. It's so nice. Ta-da! And the last one bag is shoulder bag. Right here. In here. Oh, what inside? My bag. It's like this. You guys can hold this. Nice. Last but not least, I have one left item. Bucket hat. Ta-da! It's like colorful. You know why? I use the yarn that have left of the ball. Like for one ball is 125 grams. So all I made that have a little left, I use it to create this bucket hat. Like I combine all the yarn together to make the shape like this, you see. For this project, I make half double crochet stitch. It's colorful. I love this one. And this is the outside look, and the inside look is like this, you know, because I have attached many of yarn again and again. You have the tail left. I haven't cut it yet, but soon. So I'll try it on to you guys to look how does it look. It's look like this. Oh, super cute. How does it look, guys? I love this one. All my crochet item I love all of them. Yes, that's it. So now that's all. It's done of my showing the crochet project for the whole years, and this is also my first time showing my face on my YouTube channel too. So I hope that I can make like this for the next videos. If you guys love to see, I will release my footage with me. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what to talk about. Thank you guys. Thanks once again. I only have to say thank you for your kind support and watching my video for the whole time. And I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. So see you guys. It's my video. Bye bye.